Pelton & Crane chairman chairs are a favorite among many dentists, and most who have used a chairman just don't want to part with it for a new one that doesn't meet their needs as well. To meet the needs of these dentists, we have fully reconditioned chairs for sale with or without upholstery, or we will take your seasoned chair and bring it right back to life. Our reconditioned chairs look and function just like a new chair, but still have all the functions that you love. Just look at these reconditioned chairs. Don't you agree they look brand new? Dylan, one of our chairman experts, is going to point out what sets our chairs apart.
We start with a well-seasoned chair, but we don't just fix what is broken. We fully disassemble the chair and clean the entire chair to remove years of dust, dirt, and grime that you just can't get to in the office. As we reassemble the chair, we replace the lift motor mount bearings, the lift motor, the back motor, and traverse motor, as well as circuit boards. We also replace all of the switches in the chair, including the operate and exit switches, back wiring harness, and limit switches. Finally, the refinished wood and metal parts are reassembled on the chair, now bringing the chair back to new life.
It's pretty amazing, the transformation a chair goes through in such a short time. Custom upholstery is available as well, in a variety of colors to meet your office needs. Reconditioned chairs come with a 1-year warranty that includes 90 days parts and labor with remainder of the year parts only. Chairs can be delivered to your office or shipped depending on your location. We look forward to working with you to update your office with the equipment that you will love. For more information, visit www.exceldentalparts.com.